Hi guys, today we've got here HONOR X60 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So just take a look at the current one. To change it, mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, select the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find it or in search area provided and tap on done. And now, once you stay with both languages, you will have the word icon here, so smoothly by tapping you can switch between both languages. And if you have one language only, let me remove it, you have just one language and this icon disappears. So this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.